This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robert Kilgore. Centrally located to everything Lake County has to offer. Welcome home. This home is move-in ready and is ready for you. Come take a look at this newly built home by Dining Room Horton. The model is the Aria, and is perfectly located near a quiet Cul-da-sac in Greenbrier subdivision in Tavares. This 3-halves home offers an open floor plan with a split bedroom layout. Entertaining is a breeze in this newly concrete block-built 1-story home that offers an optimizing living space with an open concept kitchen that overlooks into the living room, dining room, and screened lanai. This kitchen makes cooking a piece of cake. The kitchen has everything you need, including a breakfast bar, Whirlpool stainless steel appliances, and a spacious pantry for extra storage. The owner's suite is located at the back of the home for privacy, and the bathroom features a double vanity sinks, walk-in shower, closet and a private area for the commode. 2 additional bedrooms on the other side of the house, and in between is where the second bathroom is located. This home also features a pleasant laundry room space with a privacy door. This home has a connected smart home system. This house is perfectly located in Tavares and is minutes to Advent Health Waterman, Publix, Starbucks, Pinecrest Academy School, and other places to shop, eat and entertainment. Quick 10 minutes drive to Mount Dora, Eustis, and Leesburg. The new 429 in Lake County makes the drive to Orlando a breeze. Explore the attractions in Orlando including Disney, Universal, and Sea World. 1 hour 15-minute drive to Daytona Beach. Owner is motivated. Schedule your private showing today. Fall in love with this beautiful home and make an offer today. For more information, review the details below.